There is a distinction between dump money, money only, and smart money. And dump money means money that's not very intelligent, so it's the investor that doesn't really know anything about this. And this refers to friends and family. So your uncle or whatever who invest should not be misunderstood, because there's actually no specific judgment in that. It could very well be that these kind of investors are not dumb. Maybe they're experienced, maybe they're even experienced investors, but just because they are not an institution, they are sometimes called dump money. Then you have money-only investors, and these are investors who are considered very professional, who would be able to perform a professional due diligence, who would be able to provide value sitting on a board of a startup company and so on. But it's just in this specific investment, they're not doing all of that. They're just coming with the money. So why would they not do that? That's typically because they're part of a syndicate. So maybe there's an investment round, a startup company is raising money. You have a syndicate where one takes the lead, one does the due diligence and gets rewarded with somewhat better terms. And then friends of this fund who knows it and trust it, they tag along. And then the smart money are the ones who do the work, who do the due diligence, get on the board, oversee the company, helps the company, and so on. Sometimes these expressions are misunderstood. For instance, what is classified as dump money is sometimes not dumb. For instance, friends and family who invest in an entrepreneur is categorized as dump money. But of course, friends and family could be very intelligent. That maybe they are very professional investors, maybe they are clever entrepreneurs. It's just an expression that's used. One thing that is interesting in this is that, of course, investors lean a little bit against each other. So when you have the money-only investor, they trust that the smart money do their work, they do the due diligence. But there are also situations where you're looking at an investment, and then you do look at who were the last investors who went in before me. So if you look at the cap table, so which shows who are the current investors, and you can see the last ones who invested before me were Goldman Sachs and SoftBank. I think, okay, that's probably smart money that went in here. So they have processes, they have done their due diligence. So it increases the likelihood that you will spend time on it. It also increases the likelihood that you will invest.
Do you speak future?